Thank you very much. I'm really looking forward to lead IDF over the next 4 years. I'm absolutely honored to take the role. And I would say my main objective will be, first of all, to work on the sustainability, continue the progress we've done on sustainability. I see sustainability as a process of continuous improvement. And my definition of sustainability, or some call CSR, ESG, but for me it's really, it has really 4 key elements. You need the economic part of it, because if you don't make money, it's hard to achieve the rest as a sector. We want to make sure that we support local community so the social part of it. And we want to make sure that there's the environment part, of course, is very important in terms of the various objectives that the dairy supply chain has regarding many aspects, going from GHG emission to reduction of plastic to food waste, etc. So we need to do better there. And then there's a 4th element to that, which is health and nutrition, which is also very important as part of this sustainability. And I think we need to continue to show the world and tell the world that dairy is not the problem, but is really the part of the solution to move forward as an industry and to feed the world with nutritious and healthy dairy products. The next one I would say is really stakeholder relationship and advocacy. And I think it's very important that we work together as a sector, because we are stronger together. If we do things in isolation, we have less impact. So we work together as a dairy sector with all the various important stakeholders in the chain, from dairy farmers to dairy processors to academics to the various other players that are governments and so on, to make sure that they understand, the advancement that the dairy sector is doing, and how we can make the sector better. So when I think about stakeholder relationship, of course I think about the primary stakeholder, but I also think about non-for-profit organizations, international organizations, such as WHO, WHOA, ISO, Codex, and so on, where we need to really strengthen the relationship and move forward. The 3rd aspect is really how we communicate this message. And communicate the message means, we need to be there every day, every hour, to show that dairy is very important is a very important part of sustainable food system moving forward, and it's going to be critical that dairy is there as part of that food system. And in my view, it's good that we do the analysis. IDF is very strong. It's it's the best source of scientific knowledge in the dairy sector. So we need to make it digestible, and we need to be able to have that science put in front of the various, not only amongst us here that have a passion and an engagement in the dairy sector, but also for other organizations that may not be related directly to dairy, so that they have this engagement. And how am I going to do that? Of course, I take the lead of the board right now, as of in the next few days. So my mandate is for 4 years. We will work very hard in the next few months to look at this IDF of the future that we're trying to develop, and we're going to develop a strategic plan with clear KPIs on where we want to be in a few years' time. So essentially, that would be my main goals for IDF over the next 4 years.